Hello, grade 2. It's our last subject. Welcome to our music. And for our music, we're going to learn the beginning and ending of music. Okay, now, excuse me for that one. For the beginning, what is beginning? Beginning is the starting or the first musical line in a song. This is the part that opens the whole piece in music. So the examples are Jack and Jill went up the hill. That's the beginning, right? Of the song Jack and Jill. Now another example, Bahay Kubo kahit munti. That's the beginning of the song Bahay Kubo. And the last example is Bayang Magiliw, Perlas sa Silanganan. Sorry for that one. Okay, so this is the beginning of the song Lupang Hinirang. Okay, so the beginning is the starting or the first musical line in a song. And this is also the part that opens the whole piece in music. Now, let's go to our ending. Let's go to the ending. This is the last musical line of a song. It is the part that signals or indicates the end of piece in music. So the Jack and Jill ending is, and Jill came tumbling after. Sa paligid ay puno ng linga. Oh, ano nga ang song na to? Bahay Kubo, right? What's the tune of the sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga? Okay, I know it already. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga. Okay, that's the ending of Bahay Kubo. And the ending of Lupang Hinirang is, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. So this is the ending of Lupang Hinirang. Again, ending is the last musical line of a song. And it is the part that signals or indicates the end of piece in music. So now we are going to identify the ending and the beginning of a song. Please open your book on page 62. Okay, so you are already on page 62. So let us read the instruction. We need to pair the beginning with the ending musical line. So underline the ending musical line. So here in number 1, it's already the the beginning of musical line. So we need to find in A or B the ending of musical line. So the first song is My Hat. It has 3 corners, okay? So listen as I sing this song for you to find out the ending. Oh, I'm gonna show it to you na lang. Okay po, so wait for a while. I'm gonna show you the song so we can sing together and then you're gonna answer. Okay, so this is the first song, My Hat. It has 3 corners. Okay, let's sing and let's learn and sing this song. Ready? Go. Hat, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my hat. And had it not 3 corners, it would not be my hat. Okay, so that song. So let's proceed to our book work number 1. My hat, it has 3 corners. A, could never be my hat. Or B, a hat without 3 corners. Ready? Where is the ending? My hat, it has 3 corners. Okay, now let's go to number 2. So we will not review we'll not play the music because we know this song, right? London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. So, London Bridge is falling down is the beginning. Where is the ending? A, build it up with iron bars, or B, my fair lady. Next, number 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. I don't know this song, so we need to play it in our YouTube. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, so here we go with our I'm a little teapot. Okay, find out what is the ending of this song. Ready? Go.
Sing with
Bella. Oh, sing with Teacher
I'm
Bell.
a little teapot.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. I'm gonna get the volume up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. One more. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Skip me over and pour me out. Okay, so where is the ending of our I'm a little teapot, short and stout? A, here is my handle, here is my spout. B, tip me over and pour me out. Underline your answer. Okay, let's go to number 4. I know this song. I know, also you know this song, right? Row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So where is the ending? A, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Or B, merrily, merrily, merrily. Ready? Answer. Now, let's go to number 5. Twinkle, twinkle, you know this song. Let's sing together. Ready, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so wide, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, so where is the ending? Okay, now for our next activity, you're gonna put a check if it is the beginning of parts of the song, and put an X if it is the ending parts. Okay, number 1, bayang magiliw, pearls and silanganan, check or X. Number 2, Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, check or X. Next, page 63. Kapus kapalaran, humanap ng iba, leron, leron, sinta, that is in leron, leron, sinta. Kapus kapalaran, humanap ng iba. Okay. Now, number 4, this one is in Bahay Kubo. Puno ng linga. I forgot again. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga. Oh, that one. Okay, number 5. Oh, check or X. Number 5, leron, leron, sinta, buko ng papaya, check or X. Number 6, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, check or X. Number 7, bahay kubo, kahit munti, check or X? There was a farmer who, B-I-N-G-O. There was a farmer who had a dog. And then, this one. Number 8, check or X. Number 9, Enero, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre. So this one is Nobyembre, Disyembre, Lubi, X, check, beginning or X ending. And B-I-N-G-O was his name. And Bingo was his name of B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. So this one, beginning, check, or ending, X. Okay, now let us proceed with we're done with our music. Let's proceed with our arts. And for our arts, you're gonna do your art project. Now take a look at this one. For your art project, it's in your book. You can open it on page 165, okay? So what are the things that you need? You're gonna need a color markers, pencil and eraser, 2 barbecue sticks, 2 pieces of soft drinks caps, 4 pieces, 2 sheets of white thick papers, and the recycled empty Tetra Pak or box, washed, clean, and dried. So dapat meron kayong box. And you need the help of your parents, of course. Okay? So what to do? Draw a jeepney pattern about the size of the Tetra box. Doon kayo magdodraw sa box. Okay po? And then, cut. Hindi pa pala sa box kayo magdodraw. Doon lang sa paper muna. Draw a jeepney pattern about the size of the Tetra box. Refer to the illustration, this one. And then, cut the jeepney pattern. And then, trace it on white paper. Twice, 2 times. Okay? 2 times because on the other side and the other side. Okay? Why 2 times? You're gonna put the jeepney here on the side of the box and the another side of the box. Okay? And then decorate the jeepney with patterns using color markers. Okay po? Make sure that you design on opposite sides of the jeepney. So this side and on at opposite side, at the other side. Okay, when the patterns are complete, you're done putting all the patterns, cut the decorated jeepney. You're gonna cut it, okay? Cut it sa paper na thick paper or kung saan nyo trinace. And then apply glue on the widest side of Tetra Pak on this side. And then attach the decorated jeepney. You're gonna attach it there. And then after that, apply glue, this one. Number 6, create holes on the wheels side using a pointed tool. Okay, you need the help of your parents here para mabutasan, okay, makagawa ng hole from this side up to the another side. And put a hole at the center of the soft drink caps. And then these are the wheels of the jeepney. Install the wheels using the barbecue sticks. Insert the sticks in the cap using through the side of the jeepney. Then out on the other side. Then place the other wheels. Then gaganto na siya. Okay po? So this is your project in art. So let's see. Study for our quiz tomorrow. Take a picture of pages 62 to up to 63 and send it in our class dojo. And for your art project, you're gonna pass it on or before December 6. Okay? So medyo uunahin nyo to kasi ito yung activity nyo for your art today. Medyo unahin nyo kasi December 6 yung pasahan. You need to pass this on December 6. Unlike yung sa civics, matagal pa medyo yung pasahan nun. Okay? So, uunahin nyo kasi ito yung activity nyo for our art today. Pag hindi natapos, then you can finish it sa next day and then make sure to pass on or before December 6. Okay. So, that's all everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye!